The Body Safety Program is an educational program that teaches children 5 key safety rules about body safety, but also the 4 different types of child abuse to help build awareness of what it is and interrupt or prevent it from happening.
I've been a volunteer with Body Safety for 3 years, but during the last year, during the pandemic, I wasn't in the schools, so I hardly count that last year. But we're going back in this fall.
Our program is completely fueled by volunteers. It's just myself as a staff member, and we have a very small unit, so we're always in need of volunteers. Once the volunteer facilitators feel comfortable, after they've observed, they've learned the curriculum and created their notes, they can get started and facilitate. We always make sure that they feel completely comfortable and prepared to do so.
Children really need to know what abuse and neglect, what that is, so that they can help themselves out of the situation.
A good body safety volunteer, I think, really could be anyone that's willing to make an impact, be a part of a movement that is huge, because our children are the future, and is comfortable in a classroom setting, available during the day, and willing to make a difference.
What I would say is that it's rewarding in that you have an opportunity to have a real impact on the safety of children. I enjoy being in the classroom. I enjoy the other volunteers. They're a good group of people. So there are rewards on all aspects of the program.
It's something that's made seem like it's hard to do and talk about abuse with children, but we use really easy language that children can relate to. It's developmentally appropriate, and something that is a huge problem in our community, but easy to help make a difference.